it is antiviral and antibacterial.
Okay.
So when the customer, it is sweat free basically. You see, this is a stain repellent and water repellent product.
Okay.
So this product, it is stain repellent, liquid repellent.
Okay.
So if the customer has a need, we can do special finishing to this. This one requirement. So wherein supposedly the outer temperature would be 35.
Okay.
Once you're wearing the product, you will feel 2 to 3 degree difference. So that we can do temperature controlling and Viking also.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. You're watching V4 Vloggers. I'm Vignesh and this is Varun. So this is our cheap and best series. We are continuing it. This is our sixth video, right?
Yeah, sixth video.
This is our sixth video. Okay. So where are we, Varun?
So as we got some comments to shoot a video on wholesale garments, like people who
want to start their own brand, right?
Yeah.
Like people who want to start their own brand and open a shop, or online shop, or an offline shop.
Yeah. And the speciality of this shop is, like, if you go to any other wholesaler, like what they provide is, if you buy in bulk 1000 pieces or 500 pieces,
You just get one design, one single design.
maybe 4 or 5 designs maximum.
Yeah, 4 or 5 designs
and
maximum.
colors also not in that range.
Yeah, but these people provide a basket of items. Like basically, in 1000 you'll have so many variations.
Yeah,
How many? 50 variations, right?
He told almost you'll get 100 colors.
Yeah, 100
like
colors
100 colors and 12 designs.
Yeah, 12 days. So
So
this
you
is the
have
new
variety
thing.
of options,
New thing for retailers. You can create your own brand. Like you can market your own brand other than selling other brands.
If
in
you're
your
planning
store.
for any franchise or something, you can come here and you can give your logo.
Yeah.
So then just they have a factory.
They have a factory out
Yeah,
there.
they have a factory. So they manufacture their own garment and they'll print your logo on that.
And where is the location, man?
So for office, like corporate office, you can come in Sultanpet. which
Yeah, in
is
Sultanpet,
And to visit the factory, you should reach.
It's near
Kerpuram.
Kerpuram. So the brand name, the wholesaler name is Bulzi.
Bulzi, yeah.
So guys, let's go inside Bulzi shop. This is the main office.
He's Jeet.
Yeah, he is Mr. Jeet. Hello, Mr. Jeet. So guys, let's talk to Mr. Jeet and understand how the whole process of this business works and what and all services and products he offers. So Mr. Jeet, can you tell us what products and services do you offer?
Okay, so we are making garment products, basically shirt and pants, but the service what we are offering is to retailers and wholesalers, to first timers who wants to get into production. We are helping them get high variety and low MOQ each variety. So this is the main service what we are offering.
Okay. So basically, if someone wants to start their own brand with their name, and branding and everything, you'll offer everything, like.
Yeah, we'll offer everything. So generally what happens is, if someone wants to make the brand, for 1000 pieces they'll get 14 colors.
Yeah.
With us, for 1000 pieces we'll give up to 100 and some cases 120 colors.
That's really awesome.
Yeah, so it's like low variance, low
MOQs, low items, and you'll have more variety.
Yeah, they'll have more variety. So
They'll have more variety.
Yeah, so it is helpful for the retailer also, and to someone who wants to get into wholesale also.
Okay.
So yeah.
So basically, a retailer who is starting his first shop or something, you'll provide all the services he wants, basically.
Yeah, so if someone who's starting out new, we'll provide all the services to them. If
he doesn't have to go to each place and search for different products and nothing.
He will not have to go to any places. We'll give all the product. We'll give special functionings on the product. I'll show you. I'll show you what all special functionings on products we give.
Okay. What about designs and all? Can he select the designs?
Yeah, the customer can select the design. If they have a design sheet, they can give it to us, or our designers will work on their designs, and we'll try to create a brand language which is a brand which will have a language of what the customer wants.
So totally they have total customization of item, design and everything, right?
Yeah, so it will be all customization. What the customer has, his brand, what he wants to be, will convey it exactly like that. Yeah, it will from start to end. We'll give all the services.
All the services.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go through some products here and let's see what and all you have.
Yeah, so I'll just show you. See, so this is a basic shirt with what made.
Okay.
So these are all 50s and 60s cotton, 100% cotton.
Okay.
These are all bio-washed product.
Okay.
So I'll just show you the product and I'll show you different washings and
Okay.
different
Can
kind
you
of.
talk about the quality and all?
What will be the GSM for this?
Okay, so this is a 50s weave cotton.
Okay.
This is a 50s weave cotton, so we can make 50s weave and 60s weave also. If the customer wants to go for a normal price, we can go always opt for 50s weave, or if the customer wants to have a premium, we can go for 60s weave. In some cases, if the customer wants to target heavy customers or very premium customer, we can opt for 80s weave cottons as well.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so as I said you, this is an bio wash normal cotton shirt.
Okay.
It's a plain shirt. So this has an internal designing to it. So the customer can opt for it, or our designers will work on it, whatever they want. So this is an cotton linen product. I'll just show you. Okay, this product is antiviral and antibacterial.
Okay.
So when the customer, it is sweat free basically. So even if they wear for 2 days continuously, the smell of the sweat won't come onto this fabric. You can scan the code. Right now we have government approved certificate on our brand. But if the customer wants to have it antibacterial, antiviral on their brand,
they
will
customize it and give it to you.
customize it, and they will have a government approved certificate as well.
Okay.
Just to know, like, what will be the speciality in this cloth?
Yeah, this is antiviral and antibacterial, sir. So what happens is if you wear a shirt for a day and you are wearing the same shirt for second day, so the sweat causes smell.
Yeah.
That is because of bacteria.
Okay.
This product kills all bacteria and viruses on the surface. So even if you are wearing this for 3, 4, 5 days, it won't smell. Whatever the bacteria is caught on this fabric, it will just die down.
Okay. Okay.
Silver
That's
ionic
really-
finished have been done on this product.
So all these products, you have your own production house, right?
Yeah, we have our own production house. We have a factory.
Okay. Okay. Let's go there. Like.
Yeah, we'll
after
explore
this.
that, yeah.
We'll explore that.
Yeah,
first.
so I'll show you one more product. See, you see, this is an stain repellent and water repellent product.
Okay.
So I'll show you. So this product, it is stain
Whoa,
repellent, liquid repellent.
Okay.
So if the customer has a need, we can do special finishing to this. This won't. Yeah, so it will just see, and it is not wet. See, you see the here. This is not stain repellent. So this is wet. This is not wet.
Okay.
So this is 100% cotton breathable material.
Okay.
So this is one kind of special finishing.
Okay.
What we can do is we can do Viking and temperature controlled this thing also if the customer has a requirement. So wherein supposedly the outer temperature would be 35.
Okay.
Once you're wearing the product, you will feel 2 to 3 degree difference.
Oh,
So that we
okay.
can do temperature controlling and Viking also.
Okay.
Sweat Viking also we can do on the product. So these are all functional finishes we can do as per the customer requirement.
Oh, these are all advanced technologies. What I'm hearing.
Basically, you'll not get it in normal retail shops also.
Yeah. As we spoke earlier before this video, okay, we are making manufacturing for brands also. So we give these services to the brands. Some brands who have specific market target, they go for it. Now I wish to open it to people who wants to. It's a give and take type.
point, yeah.
But if a retailer starts a business with these options, right?
Yeah.
He will definitely make a good name.
Yeah, because he will have a better product and new technology product compared to his competitors.
Usually will not get these kind of options in low brands.
Yeah, low brands. you
These
won't
are
get.
all premier options.
Yeah, these are all premium. As I told you, this water repellent one, antibacterial one, they are in your Arrows, your higher end brands
higher
there
end
is, or Terms. What you go online, Terms is a whole company based out of this product only. But those are costings are all high in domestic market, domestic brand to a product which has MRP 1000 and below. There are very rare case scenarios. There are almost no.
Yeah.
Even if they exist online only. A retailer does not have access to it. Correct. So we intend to give access to retailers.
It's time to you guys to become entrepreneurs and start your own brands.
Yeah.
When you have this many options,
Yeah.
you can definitely start.
Let's go through some other products.
Yeah, I'll just show you some designing what we worked. So this is kind of a party wear patching.
Okay.
So this is a kurta.
Okay.
This is a denim product, sir.
Okay. This is Cadre type, right?
Yeah, this is quadre type, but this is also an indigo product.
Mm-hmm.
It has a feel like quadre, but
Okay.
this is an indigo fabric.
Okay.
So this is a cotton check.
So guys, if you want to start your own brand, he's the perfect person. Like if you come here and if you get his knowledge, it's more than enough, I guess.
Yeah.
Let's see more catalogs of products and all.
Yeah.
Well-
So we make denim also as per customer requirement. We make denims also.
Okay.
So this is kind of a denim sample which we
Okay.
have. This
Can
is
you tell us in brief, like all the products, like whatever you have, like
So-
whatever you provide?
Yeah, so we provide all menswear item, but
Okay.
we make shirt and pant in our factory.
Okay.
T-shirts, jackets, summer wear, winter wear. If the customer has a whole calendar plan, we can plan the whole year calendar. Some
Okay.
items we outsource, but
Okay.
rest assured, ki whatever the product, even if we are outsourcing it, the quality, the price, everything would be up to the mark.
Okay.
We will take care
That's
of it.
really good. Okay. Let's go to some catalogs and other thing.
So this is a pant. This is a lycra pant which is running in the market right
Yeah.
now.
Okay.
So
Present
we have present trend. So we have 2-way and 4-way lycra product
Okay.
also. This is a 2-way. We have 4-way also in this. So
Okay.
this product also we are making. We are giving 20 to 30 color choices to the customers
Okay.
in this. These are some of the t-shirts which we made in our brand. The t-shirt could also have functional finishing. I'll just show you. So you see this is the same t-shirt.
Hmm.
This is antiviral. This is water repellent, I'm sorry.
This is waterless.
This is also water repellent. So we had functional finishes on these also.
Whoa, that's really awesome. So everything you can make it customized.
Yeah,
Like
everything
from
you
the
can make-
bottom up, you can make it fully customized.
Yeah, everything can be customized. Whatever the customer need is, we can do.
Hmm. So you have ethnic wears also for men, right?
We don't have ethnic wear.
Ethnic
Actually, we are
wear,
not
okay.
making ethnic wear, but
Okay.
we have few fabric samples for ethnic wear. This is for Ramzan right now.
Okay.
So what we are trying to do is, so we have a customer who has 4 retail stores.
Okay.
So what the customer wants is he wants to blend ethnic into normal wear.
Okay.
So it's kind of fusion wear.
Okay.
So we've just got the fabrics. So
Okay.
these are the fabrics. So what we intend to do is we intend to fusion a normal casual wear and ethnic wear.
Okay.
For example, I'll tell you. So I'll just show you how this would be done. Right now the designings are in the making, but you could have an idea. So
Okay.
supposedly there's a white shirt.
Okay.
The white shirt will have a collar and cuff of this fabric.
Oh, okay.
And the shirt would be white. So it would give whatever your premium luxury brands, what designing they give. So we intend to do those designings in this fabric for our
Okay.
customer who's given us an order.
Okay.
So it's like a fusion for this. We also have different types of fabrics what the customers can choose. You see these are all
So all
cottons.
templates you have.
Yeah,
everything,
we have some templates here.
Okay.
So you can check the quality for yourself. You can give an references of the qualities of the fabric.
If some retailer wants, he can come directly here and meet you, right?
Yeah, he
and he
can
can
come-
choose everything. And
Yeah, he can come meet me and then we
Okay.
can probably discuss on his requirement
Okay.
and accordingly create a path out of it. Ki whatever
Okay.
he wants, he intends to do, we'll just do it. They can
Okay.
meet our designers.
Okay. You have designers also, right?
Yeah, we have designers. We have 2 full-time designers who would work on their designs.
Okay.
We try to give them a best, whatever a service a big brand has.
Yeah,
we will
everything will be
everything
provided.
Yeah, we will be providing to a retailer
Okay.
brand also. So these are few fabrics, print, plain checks. So the customers can choose from. These are all cotton fabrics.
Jeet, can you explain about the pricing of the products and all?
Yes, sir. So what we do is ki whatever the fabric we use is all meal made fabric. Either we are sourcing from a known mill.
Okay.
We are not using any processed fabric. So the quality of this product will be as good as whatever any of your domestic brand gives. So
Okay.
prices of these products would be from 330 to 390, 400 somewhere,
Okay.
depending on what are the increments customer want in a product.
So basically, if they add more customizations, the price will vary.
Yeah,
right?
if they add customization, whatever the additional cost is, they'll have to give. So
Okay.
supposedly this is a normal softener wash product.
Okay.
So if the customer is like, we don't want to go with softener wash, we want to go with ball wash.
Mm-hmm.
Then see, these are all washing samples. I'll show you.
Okay.
So you see, this is an old piece, but you will have the idea. See,
Okay.
you touch the fabric, you feel certain thing to this, right? So this is a soft normal wash. This is a ball wash of the same product.
Oh, okay.
So do you feel the
Yeah,
difference?
I feel the difference.
Yeah, so if the customer wants these differences, we'll have to go with different washes, which we can go. It would cost certain amounts.
Mhm.
So whatever the amount
So
is,
the starting range is somewhere around 300 for
330.
330
Yeah.
on that range, right?
Yeah,
The
330 to 400 we can give it as
400.
an average.
Okay, average.
Yeah,
Right.
average price.
For t-shirts.
For shirts.
Sorry, for shirts, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What about pants and?
The pants, it would be from 450 to, in some cases it can go up to 1000 also. If the
Okay.
customer wants to have a proper denims or in mill denims
Okay.
or any specific quality, it can go up to 1000 also. But the average price is 440 to 600.
That's really awesome. It'll be better for retailers.
Yeah.
Also. Yeah, they'll
Yeah.
have better margins also.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And the t-shirt prices are from 135 to 235.
Okay.
So round neck, collar,
Mhm.
depends what they are choosing for.
You do it for corporate companies also, right?
Yeah, we do it for corporate companies.
Some
also.
events and all. They'll have bulk orders
Yeah, so if the order is bulk and we do it, we'll do it.
because they'll have their own brandings and all. You can just print it and give
Yeah,
away.
we can print this thing. If they have any logo to be embroidered, we'll do that also.
Okay. Okay. So he's gonna show us more washing samples.
Yeah, see, as I told you, this is also a ball wash. But
Okay.
this is better ball wash than the last one which I showed you.
Oh,
Do you
yeah,
feel
yeah,
the
I feel the difference.
Yeah. So this is an enzyme wash. So this is enzyme is what we call your bio wash.
Okay.
So this is enzyme wash. This is used to clear out all the impurities in the cotton, and
Okay.
it makes it a smooth fabric.
Mm-hmm.
So we have also kind of. See, this is a normal softener wash on a satin.
Okay.
To give it this
Mm-hmm.
textured feeling.
Basically, many people who are starting out like fresh and all, they won't have any idea about it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
most people don't have any idea about it, and what
Yeah.
happens is generally whatever the factory guy, if they go purchase the fabric and go to a factory, factory guy he tells upon his convenience because he would tell what is easy to him.
Yeah,
he
yeah,
would
yeah.
not tell something which takes efforts for
Yeah,
him.
correct.
So generally people don't say.
Basically, he'll tell whatever he has. Basically.
Yeah, he'll tell
whatever he
he's
has.
ready to sell.
He's ready to sell.
Yeah, nothing else. Generally people don't tell more about it. In our case, we would give entire explanation according to our knowledge. Whatever textile knowledge, making knowledge we have,
Yeah.
we'll impart to your customer and then let them choose their.
Yeah, that's clear, transparent business.
Yeah, clear, transparent business is what.
So
we are
basically, I have learned so much from you today.
looking- thank you, sir.
So it's better to come and meet him and learn more. Like if you have an idea to start out something new, it's better you come and meet him first. Yeah,
Suggest you.
yeah, he'll give you more knowledge about it and he'll provide all the services and products for you. So sir, let's go to your production house now.
Yeah, we can go
Okay.
to our production also.
Okay.
Ready.
So guys, Mr. Jeet also has all track pant material also. You can see shorts here. Varun, come closer. You can see all branded ones and everything. You can get it customized.
Yeah, we get customized, sir. This is also we make. So this on two parts. So on depending on customer's requirement, we get it done in Tirupur also and Ludhiana also. This
Okay.
also we give it out, but
Okay.
the factories are all known to us.
The quality is really awesome. The whatever quality I've chosen, it's really nice. So, what about logos and all?
Yeah, so they'll get it, sir. It will be customized and be given on their own brand.
Okay. What about pricing?
So these prices are from, sir, 200 to 500.
200 to 500.
500 is the range. It
Okay.
depends on what the customer requirement is.
Okay.
Accordingly, we can give out.
Okay. So guys, finally we have reached Mr. Jeet's garment factory here in Hennur. So he's gonna take us around all the production areas here. So let's go inside and check out what and all is there. So what process happens here?
So this is a stitching unit.
Stitching unit.
happens here.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are the different items they do here?
So
basically?
this is only stitching only.
Only
sir.
stitching?
Yeah.
Just
only
stitching?
Only stitching. Shirt
What about
front.
cutting, you know?
Cutting and all happens on the
Happens
table.
there. Okay.
Have a look on the table.
So guys, this is the finishing unit. So guys, that's it for today. If you like the video, please like the video and share it to others, your friends and everyone. And if you want more information about whatever you saw today, you can contact Mr. Jeet. I'll provide his contact details and the location of his office.
Yeah. And any kind of business you want to start, like whether you want to open a shop or you want to start as
Make
a
your
wholesaler,
own brand or
yeah,
something, a retailer.
you can definitely contact them. They
contact.
have tons of options here, and we'll be linking all the details in description. You can contact them.
Okay, see you. Bye.
Bye.